Yotsuba, no, she's not going on vacation. Hello and welcome to another manga breakdown. We'll be breaking down all the Japanese and vocabulary from the manga Yotsuba, as you can see over there. From last time, Yotsuba had gone on a little trip to the park and she brought back a souvenir for Asagi. Now we get to discover that it was a Yotsuba. Yotsuba has brought a Yotsuba, a 4-leaf clover. And I just dropped in the notes below me, so as I go through and explain all of this vocabulary, all of these words, you can follow along with all the definitions below me. But if you ever have any questions, ever want anything fleshed out, do feel free to leave a comment below, even below the notes. So our first words for today are Wa Yotsuba no kuroba janai. Wa is just like yay. Yotsuba is 4 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4. This yo, as you can see, is the kanji from yon, which is 4. So 4 leaves, this ba for leaf. And then clover, which is what it is, a 4-leafed clover. And janai is isn't it? So it's like, oh, this is a 4-leaf clover, isn't it? Arigato, thank you. And then she was just like, ha 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 ha. Yosh, 特別だ. こっちの姉ちゃんにもやろ. So, yo, she's like, yeah, okay. Tokubetsu is special. Da is declarative. So it's like, yeah, let's do something special. For Kochi, over here, this one, no links that to Ne-chan, which is like older sister or kind of young lady or just a lady that's a little bit older than Yotsuba. Ni is towards or to, so kind of for her. Mo is also. And then Yaro is the volitional form of Yaru, which is to do, kind of just a more casual form of Suru. So to make that to this Yaro, the do that would be here changes to its O base ending, so do goes to ro, and then you add a u after that. So yaru to our yaro, and that means let's do something or I shall. It's more I shall here. So I shall do something for this Ne-chan over here as well. And then hai is here. Here you go. But sadly, Toroko is not too happy. She's saying, kitane boru. Kitane is just like casual for kitanai. For a lot of negatives, you could swap out the nai with the ne here. And then boru is ball. So it's like, oh, it's a dirty ball. Great. I love it. Now, これからどっか行くのか? So これから is after this. Doka is somewhere or anywhere. Iku is to go. There's no cause make it a question. So, are you going to go somewhere after this? Where are you gonna go after this? お出かけ. So yeah, and お出かけ is like a trip or an outing. It's like, oh, またか? Oh, just being oh, and mata being again, and ka making it a question. So like, oh, you're going out again. Because Asagi, like just a little bit ago, went on vacation. And Yotsuba doesn't quite know the difference between a vacation and just going out to hang out. So Yotsuba's maybe getting a little confused here, because he's saying he's going on a quick outing. But Yotsuba's thinking, oh, they're going on a big trip again, huh? And then Asagi's like, Johnny. She's like, bye-bye. Very casual way to say bye. Boom. The car is driving off. Yotsuba's, いってらっしゃい. Have a good time. Take care. Then, oh no. おみやげ頼むな. So, おみやげ is souvenir. Tanomu is please, or she's kind of asking for something. And then na is emphasis. So it's like, yeah, please give me a souvenir. Yotsuba, no, she's not going on vacation. You don't get a souvenir just for hanging out. Nanda. Are being that, while making that the topic, Nanda being what? So like, what was that? Because I don't think she's met Yotsuba too much before. Just a little bit in her last video. And then Asagi is Otonari Yotsuba-chan. So Otonari is neighbor. No was linking that to Yotsuba, which is her name, and then chan, which is a suffix for like little kids or like your juniors in general. Kawaii desho? Henna yatsu da. So kawaii is cute, and desho is like, isn't it? Or I think, I wonder. So like, isn't she cute? And then hen is strange. Na is here for this hen adjective, so it can make it describe yatsu, which is a guy or a chap. So like a weird guy. Da is declarative, so it's like, no, she was just weird. Thank you. Poor Yotsuba. It's like, she's so natsukashi. Hisashiburi ni mita na, koーゆーの. So, hisashiburi ni is like, it's been a long time. And then mita is the past form of miru, which means to see. There would be a nu here that gets swapped out with this ta for its past form. So just miru becomes mita, seen, saw. And then na, emphasis. Then koーゆーis such or like this. And then no is just nominalizing this. It's standing in for a generic noun. So just like a thing like this. It's like, oh, this is so nostalgic. It's been so long since I've seen something like this. Oh, which leads us into a next chapter. Yay! Chapter Asagi, who is this wonderful person right here. And I'll zoom in for you. Right here, we have dai, which is the ordinal suffix, and then wa, which you've also maybe seen said hanashi before. And this is like a little bit different than English because like 16th, this is essentially the part, and it usually comes afterwards in English, but here it comes before. And then afterwards, this wa is a counter for stories or chapters. Japanese has lots of counters. Don't think about it too hard. So this all just translates as the 16th chapter. Yay! We've made it through 16 of these. Oh my gosh. And just to keep us rolling along here, I'm gonna do a first page here. Oh no. So here we have Ina and Yotsuba playing outside their house. So when it's just like, ikuyo. Iku is to go, yo is emphasis, so it's like I'm gonna go. And this sore that both of them say, it's like there, but there's also just like, you know, they're saying serve, here you go, huh, whatever, a noise because they're like passing this back and forth. And this ban is a bang, and this boom, it's a swish. Oh, I'm not gonna stop it there, just give you a little taste of this next chapter. Oh, we'll have to see where Sagi pops up. Oh no, how is that request Yotsuba had for her souvenir gonna work out? We'll have to see how this match turns out. Is Yotsuba secretly a sports genius? Probably not. But I hope you had fun. I hope you maybe learned something. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Mata ne!